sight. Discipline's the engine, let it carry me tonight.
Yeah, half size when it's choppy, keep the risk in control. Plan trade ideas, let the vision unfold. No trades is a trade, that's the truth that I hold. Make every move count, yeah, that's how you grow. Flip back through the pages, yesterday in the law. HTF analysis, cutting through fog. Red folders on the calendar, I'm letting them pass. 5 minutes from the open, now I'm sitting on my hands.
Yeah, I wake up, clear skies, time to take that flight. Checklist on my mind, gotta do it all right. Patience in the pocket, keep the future in sight. Discipline's the engine, let it carry me tonight.
Yeah, hey, BBC setups, keep the risk on track. Sent the max, never giving it back. Don't let a runner get in front of the plan. Take the base hit, stack it up, that's the jam. Every trade gets a story, journal line by line. Copy trader said, yeah, the system aligned. Then before I hit the button, gotta stop, gotta wait. Look for reason not to trade, that's how you elevate. It's patience, it's progress, it's lessons I learn. Every page in the journal makes the tables turn. From the pre-flight checks to the moment I play. I'm just grateful for the grind every single day.
Yeah, I wake up, clear skies, time to take that flight. Checklist on my mind, gotta do it all right. Patience in the pocket, keep the future in sight. Discipline's an engine, let it carry me tonight. Ooh, let it carry me tonight.
All right, we are live. We are live. So, let's get in this. I have to make sure I don't trade one of my accounts. I already got a good W on today. So whatever I do, I'm going to double check right now that that account is not in the mix. It really isn't. Okay, we're good. And I took a loss and a win this morning. It's kind of annoying because I could have just been patient and just taken the win, because I took my double break on NQ to start with, even though I just said I wasn't going to trade NQ anymore. And then right after the fact, it set up clean on ES. So I took it on ES. So I took a L on NQ, then I took a W on ES, but I switched my payout account and got it to the plan. And now we have the New York Open. We're holding PDL here on MES, and we have a potential for opening range trade. So I'm going to be staying locked in here. The bias here would be for a long at the moment, I guess. Let me see. Yeah, we're holding PDL. I'm looking at my other charts. Yeah. So I'd feel good if we could get a double break with the long, even though NQ's below previous day low. Oops. Quite a little choppy range here. So I'm going to make sure, I'm going to disable and re-enable my copy trader just to make sure everything's working. Yep. And I kind of want to buy some more accounts. Okay, I'm also interested in shorting gold. If gold comes back down here, I'm going to be looking to short it. What's up, y'all? Good morning. Good morning. I'm listening to everyone in the Discord, too. We got more people in the Discord than on YouTube, but that's all right. We are chilling, guys. I'm just here to take my trade and move along. So I'm looking for the double break. Opening range isn't set yet, so I'm just going to hang tight and wait for that opening range. What's up, Cheems? Good morning. Yeah, so I'm happy right now. I got this account locked in for the payout. This one right here. Boom. Oh, yeah, so I'm going to drop my total in here. Whoa, Ninja Trader, trade the stocks you love futures style. Single stocks, futures. I'm trying to decide which accounts I want next. I mean, I guess I kind of want to stack all my Lucids still. I haven't tried the Lucid straight to fund it, so maybe I'll actually give one of those a shot. Yeah, I gotta think about which account I'm gonna get next. Wow, these ones are cheap. Okay, I gotta stay locked in here. I'm getting distracted looking at these account rules. Okay, so here's the account. So I'm gonna download. I gotta make sure I don't trade this thing. I'm gonna download my orders from today. I'll just do this week. Download. That way it's overlapping and it will auto detect when I import into Gainway Edge. Don't forget Gainway Edge is still free right now. Not for long, probably. Wait, no trades today? What's going on here? Orders this week. I don't know. I'm just going to do today. Let's see if it works. Oh, I don't have the account selected. That's why. That will do it. I selected the wrong account. There it is. Okay. So I could just select the one account though. If we go here and I go to 425, right there. Here it is, done. So only one losing day on this. Nice. That's crazy. I wonder what all these trades were. That's actually what I'm going to check. I'm going to go through and check all of these trades. Which trades were they? I wish I could put this on. Okay, that's a 30-minute flip. That one's already labeled. TP on this one is traditional. Okay. I think it did hit full TP. Let's go here. Double break. Okay. This one here is a double break. Oh, so we did get them all labeled. Double break. Okay, I don't know what this one is though. 11 a.m. We're going to have to check that. 11 a.m. on the 27th. I didn't journal very well that day. No. I'm going to have to go back and look at these charts, and I really don't want to do it. I really don't want to do it. I have to go check each of these trades and tag it. Yeah, I want to tag all these trades. Well, today's trade we know is a double break. All right, well, I'm going to have to take time to do that at some point here. So we have the opening range set in just 2 more minutes. All right, opening range is set. I don't know why it's not showing on here. I'm going to take off initial balance. There it is. Okay. So we are about to break. We broke it on NQ, so I gotta get super locked in here. I'm gonna already have this about sized up, assuming it's about to break. And I need to get a payout account ready. Oh shoot, so I don't even have a payout account ready. What's gonna be my payout account? I'm gonna have to take out from my copy trader. I'm gonna have to take out one of my accounts. Or just buy another account. Okay, I'm going to take out one of my Tradeify accounts. Done. Okay, save changes. So flatten first and save group changes. There we go. So I took out one of my Tradeify accounts. I'm going to double check. It is out. So I'm going to now sign in to Tradeify in Tradeivate here. And make sure I'm not in that one account. I should just lock out of it, but I'm also worried to do that. Okay, I'm going to do it. Manual lockout. Okay, no, I've never used it on here like that, so I'm not even going to do it. I'm just going to do this one. This is my payout account. And this one I'm going to be ready to trade right here. Or actually, no, I'm going to put it on another screen. Okay, I'm ready to go. So we're locked in. We got the double break to the upside here. And on both NQ and ES. I'm going to watch it on ES. I don't really want to take it to for the short, though. I like the longs right now, so this is kind of scary. I'm going to be sized up and ready to go, though. So in my Tradeify account, that's the payout account, I'm thinking I'm going to risk the full amount, 1,500. Oops. $1,500, which means I could actually make the full amount for the payout. That'd be crazy if I hit 2 payouts today. That'd be crazy. But technically, I have just enough room to do it. Make 1,200 bucks. something like that. All right, so it's going to be around at most 25, 26 micros. Almost could do 3 minis. Maybe. We'll see how it sets up. And then in my personal account, it's going to be around 1 or 2 micros. Oh, there we go. It logged me out. I spoke too soon about getting logged out on here. I mean, about having 2 accounts logged in. It's not going to let me do it, is it? I'm still logged into TOF over here. Let's see if it works. All right, so we might get the double break here. All right, so I'm going to get lined up here. Stop loss, TP. Okay, I'm actually just going to do it the way I normally do it here. Right click, create limit order, and we're good to go. Two ticks above, 1, 2. That will be 2 lots, I believe. Yep, 2 lots to risk 130. That works for me. And on my payout account, it's going to be 23. We're holding above the opening range right now. The stocks are bullish. 6 out of 7 Mag 7 are green. You're $130, 137 left to pass, and you took some stupid trades, and it's gone. Was doing it slowly and learning. 2 weeks on eval, but today got chopped. I'm sorry to hear that. It sounds like you maybe learned something good from that, though, and I mean, it's good practice. I'm glad it was in a giveaway account and not one that you bought. But man, 137 to passing, that's really good. What happened today? Were you like tilted? Did you size up or something to try to make the last bit instead of sizing down, or what happened there? Yeah, definitely don't trade my payout funded. What's up, Jabble? Sir Jabbalot. What's up, Cheems? We got Luna, try fund it, future family. Okay, I haven't tried them yet. I'm going to check out the prices. I'm kind of interested in maybe trying something just if it's a really good account. I still want to stack though my 5 elucids. Bundle and save, dang. Okay, so we're locked in here for the double break. 2 lots on this account should do it. We can actually move up a little bit with the VWAP. And on my payout account, we're talking like 25, 24 lots. All right, I'm locked in. Getting ready to record the screen. Yeah, I don't know which instant fund it to add. I'm going to look at Lucids. I already have 5 Tradeifys. Wait, so it's a Lucid Direct? Oh, these are even more expensive. Same consistency rule, 20%. %, consistency. How much can you withdraw from these? So yeah, these are more expensive, but you get 90-10 profit split. All right, guys, we're getting close to this trade happening, so I'm going to lock in here. Let me hit record. All right, I'm going to lock in as we get close to potentially getting this trade. I'm gonna look at a little bit at some order flow and stuff, but I'm not looking at it too closely here because I do think I'm going to take this trade either way. I see that we're still within the range that we've been chopping in, so I actually don't mind the short as much anymore. Before I wanted the long when we were down here. I liked it when we were holding above previous day low. I don't mind it now though, actually, the short. I would rather be able to hit my TP before PDL, which I think there's just enough room for that. All right, here we go. We might be getting filled. So I am going to be ready to go on this other account. So we're talking about on this other account, I think 25 micros. Okay, maybe even 26. Yeah, 25 micros. I'm getting alerts from Atos. We're just checking into this value area low on ES. I'm going to just bring this up with VWAP. All right, we got 51 seconds on this candle. Try velocity plan 50K and $25. Trailing. I don't want any trailing if I can avoid it. What's up, Balaji? Yeah, I don't want any trailing. All right, let's switch up the tune here. All right, here we go, guys. We got 24 seconds. Oh, so I can go to 26 or 27. On my payout account. I'm trying to set a take profit and stop loss on this, so I'll just already have my sizing set for my payout account, but I don't know how it works. Okay, here we are. Okay, I think I got it in. All right, we're good to go. We're getting really close to this potential fill, and I don't have the right size put in here. It's only supposed to be 2 micros. VWAP is starting to go up a little bit more, so I can go up 1 more tick. All right, that was close. No cigar though. 5 more seconds here. It's going to close up here, so we have a whole other minute candle to wait for. I want to keep looking at accounts here, so I'm going to compare all the instant fundeds I can find, try to find the best deal. All right, we're testing these highs again. So still nada on the double break. How's NQ's way out of the opening range already? Or still. So we're getting close. VWAP starting to head on up towards the top of the opening range. Right, so we can do 28 in the payout account, and in this account it's still 2, I think, maybe 3, 2. And I said 26, right? 26, yeah, 27, no, 28. 28 in the payout account. What's up, Czar Trader? How'd the day going? Good. Got an account up above $6,000, so I should have my a $2,500 payout. I thought it was $3,000, but $2,500 payout. And here we go. We're pushing these highs. Let me see if I have any other strategies setting up here. Not really. Not really. Yeah, I'm ready for a nap, guys. After that prop format stream, ooh, it's long. 2 big guests on today too, which is awesome. It's definitely very tiring though. Like after, like just, I don't know if I pay attention more or there's something about certain guests that I give a little more maybe energy and for some reason preparation too and stuff like that. So I'm tired. Okay, so stop loss is moving up here. 1, 2. All right, we're pushing higher. Yeah, I'm curious, how is everyone doing today in chat? Anyone get any trades yet today? What are you guys feeling? It's kind of been a long week with this big rally. It's kind of a lot to deal with, I feel like. So, and for me, I'm just so happy I locked that account in. After being teased yesterday on stream, that was rough for me. I was very tilted. I hadn't been that tilted in a long time. Alright, so the Lucid accounts are a little bit too expensive, I feel like. The rules are good, but for the straight to fund it, I don't feel like I want to go that route. So I'm going to check on top 1 futures too. Instant sim fund it. 25K, 50K, 100K. So it's a little bit cheaper, 369. $150K. Okay, I gotta see what the payout, because they changed the payout rules, sadly. Those were the best accounts. So I'm gonna make sure it's still a good deal. Payout, instant fund it, payout cap. Okay, so you can only take out an extra $500 from the 100K as the 50K. So they make it, it's almost... I think I'm just going to do the 50Ks. Man, only 500 more bucks. Meanwhile, the price difference is 306 to 369. So they make it so it's not really that much more expensive. $60 more for the 100K. Oh, but they actually did $4,000 drawdown. Oh, okay. That actually, I like that. I'm going to do these ones. I'm going to do one of these for 369. Code Luna. All right, here we go. Starting to come back down. We might get this double break after all. I gotta be locked in here. Okay, this is moving fast. 40 seconds on this 1 minute candle. We're good with the 2 lots here, but let's see how much do we want to do for the other account. $26 is perfect. Oh yeah, I gotta make sure my copy trader's on. Okay, yeah, we're good. Okay, it's coming back down. We got 24 seconds left on this candle. I like that point of control. We're bouncing off of it, so hopefully we reject there for this short, if we do get it. I don't like, though, that the entry is right above previous day value area low. So that is not my favorite. London VWAP is meeting up with New York VWAP at this point, so I'm actually just going to delete London VWAP, get it off my chart. Dang. Brick just crushed the trade there. Let's go. Let's go. Well, I thought we were about to get that trade. Instant Sim Fund at 50K. I think that's what I'm going to go with on top 1 futures. I'm so tempted to just buy all 5. For $13.58. One small fee of $13.58. That's like spending my whole payout I'm getting. I guess I'm just gonna add one. I'm gonna watch my spending. I guess I'm just gonna add one. I must just want to add all 5. I'm hesitating. It's a bigger. Yeah, I want to add all 5. I guess I don't know why I'm hesitating. I get a discount. 5 50K accounts for $13.58. Oh, but I do already have other accounts with top 1 futures. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to trade these evals first, and then I'm going to buy these. That makes the most sense to me. So I'll try to pass some of these evals. So for now, I'm just going to buy one. Yeah, that's what makes sense, is because I have other accounts. Okay, I'll buy 2. I think I still get a bigger discount with 2. Oh, it says add 3 or more and get 60%. So I'm a little bit confused. I see you only get the bigger discount for buying all 5. Yep. Okay, wow, here we go. So I gotta get locked in here, guys. So we actually have VWAP is up here now. And that means stop up here. Okay, so real quick. Okay, so 2 looks good here. Let's see in my other account. 2, yeah, 26. All right, we're ready to go. We have this candle in 10 seconds. I'm locked and loaded on both of my accounts. All right. Candle closed in 1 second. Okay, it didn't close. We have 60 seconds. Really hate days. I tend to have 2 A+ setups, and days like today, I wait really kills me. From a trade 5 minutes from open to waiting an hour for IB to the setup. Okay, I'm gonna have to read the rest of that in a second. Here we go. 35 seconds. 35 seconds left. This is actually a pretty big difference down here. If it closes like that, I might have to drop down to 1 contract, which I don't really want to do. Here we go, 8 seconds. There it is. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got the worst fill. I got the worst fill. I should have got that fill up here. I got the worst fill. I'm probably oversized slightly. Oh, who's gonna call me right now? I got the worst fill. Yep, are we in it in all our accounts here? Yep. Oh, and of course, guys, my bracket orders didn't work. Okay, so I need to figure out my other trade. So what I got filled at 54.75. Okay, stop loss should be right there. And I only need $1,250, and I'm in 26 lots. So not only am I risking too much, so my stop loss needs to be, dang, I'm risking too much on this. So my stop loss needs to be right there at 766.50 because I'm oversized. And my TP though is just right here at 7745 spot 25. So my stop loss is tighter than it should be. I think I'm just going to leave it like that and just let it go. Okay, and then on this trade that we're in right now on my copy trade accounts, I need to lock in a minimum of 0.5 R, which is right there. That's not bad. Meanwhile, full TP would be down here. I'm going to go ahead and try to get a screenshot of this. Here we go. So TP is a payout here on this other account. What if we got 2 payouts in a day? Wouldn't that be crazy? I wish I got a better fill on this. That would have been nice, but whatever. Can't do anything about it now. You know what, though? I don't even know how much I'm risking on this one, to be honest. If I'm risking too much. Let's see. Create limit order 2. 147. I'm risking more than I'm supposed to. I'm risking slightly more than I'm supposed to. So that's why that better fill would have been clutch. So what do? Do I risk more on this one, or do I put the stop loss where it should be? That is a hard question. On that other account, I just put my stop loss tighter to not risk more. On my live here, I'm kind of okay with risking a little bit more, even though it's not ideal. We are holding above these EMAs on NQ. ES still looks good. We're rejecting, hopefully we're rejecting this initial balance high on NQ. Meanwhile, ES is holding its current value area low, but that could move down. Overall, I think we look fine. So I'm just going to leave everything how it is. I think we look fine too to have my stop loss a little bit tighter if I wanted to make sure to not over risk on it. I don't think it would really matter. Like if we broke above here, I might even want to close this trade early just because of it being over risked. And I really like the way we're rejecting the London opening range low and all the VWAPs together. So it looks good right now. North Korea missile launch are consulting and are, wait, what is this? U.S. military aware of North Korea missile launch and are consulting with allies. North Korea is out here getting in the mix. Uh-oh. I don't imagine that's good for the market. It's weird having my stop loss be exactly at that point of control. So I'm going to look at this one more time here. Create a limit order 2. So where do we... I'm not supposed to risk more than like 130. So it's really just almost the same thing as my stop loss. So I don't really care. I'll just tighten my stop loss that much and not be over risked. It's kind of tough. Tough decision to make in this situation. Normally I just be okay with being slightly over risked, knowing it's either a win or a loss in the long run. I guess I could take profit on one early too as a way to de-hedge, but de-risk. But I think I'm just going to accept the risk. NQ is really holding here, while ES is looking more bearish. Alright, take it easy, Savage. Guys, NQ is holding here. I don't want to see it. We're back above that previous state low on NQ. We're still holding previous state low on ES, of course, as well. Yeah, NQ's bouncing here strong. Flipped all its 5-minute EMAs I've been watching. CVD is going up on NQ, down on ES. So a little bit of a mixed message. If I look at the past hour, 10:35. Oh yeah, going down strong on ES and going up on NQ. So this is not what I want to see here. Let's look at NQ real quick on this chart. Yeah. Not what I want to see on NQ. Bouncing that London opening range, holding above New York opening range. I guess I'm going to prep some journaling here. I did take my screenshot, so real quick, let's get in here and put that in, because I keep not journaling. All right, so the VWAP is it was right above us, I guess. When I entered, yeah, it was above us and pretty much going up. Going back down into profit here. I want to see this break through this opening range mid. Just it's right below where we were consolidating here. I'm going to be ready to take this. And the payout account, I'm just letting it roll. Win or loss here. All right, I do think we could get a quick wick or something, so I want to be ready. I want to be ready to lock in my minimum 0.5R. My other account is just set to the payout. Yes, looks heavy here. Yes, it's coming down. NQ's been coming down with it. We're testing the EMA again on NQ, which is where we bounced before. One little break here is all it will take for ES to topple over, possibly straight down into my limit order, or otherwise I will trail my stop down as well. Like, I'm almost tempted to cover it here. Because I'm sweating. Here we go. Here we go. I might cover a little early. We're almost at my TP on the other account. Of course, this one is all my copy trade group. Here we go. Let's go. A few ticks below and we're Gucci. Oh, we did go below, guys. I almost just wanted to cut it. I did want to cut it. It was just hard to see with this stupid indicator here. Or whatever this thing is. Okay. That was it, guys. That was my TP. Wow, it was so close on both my accounts. My finger's about to start shaking. Okay, I am thinking just to lock this one in early because of the way I feel. I could note that. There we go. I'm gonna lock it in. Oh, psych. It didn't lock in. Either way, I'm following my rules, so it's okay. I'm not gonna care if I lock this one in a little bit early because I'm a little bit oversized. Man, I tried to lock it in there. Oh, and it went 2 ticks down there. Okay, this is where it starts to tilt me. So guys, I know I was kind of a little tilty the other day, so I am going to be careful on this. Yesterday I was tilty, but I'm trying to let my trades play out. We have room down to the full TP, so I'm not going to like sweat it. I'm not going to sweat it. I did just try to take that though, and it didn't. That's crazy talk. If that reverses on me, I'm going to lose it. I shouldn't say that. I shouldn't say that. So, that's crazy though. I did try to cover. I should have hit close. Let's reject here. Testing the underside. I was very close, guys, too, on my my payout account too. Here you can see, look how close we were to that payout. A few ticks away. So I'm still gonna give it time. It's still going. Everything's good. I can't believe this one didn't get covered though. How did I not get covered on this, guys? Am I going to get tilted again here? That was so the cover. That was so the cover. Not what I like to see, guys. I just literally missed it, didn't I? I might have to walk away. I might have to set this here and walk away. Because I'm going to get tilted. Like, cause I'm already been kind of tilty this week. But here we go. Here we go. I'm going to lock this in. I know I keep saying that, but I'm just talking out loud. Thinking out loud here. As we get close to my TP, I'm really trying to lock this one in. I'm considering just closing half of it right now, or just taking it. Let's keep pushing here. I'm trying to follow my rules and hit my 0.5R, but I do feel very tilted, and covering would solve that tilt. I should have covered again. Having to stand up. I can always rely on my rules, which means waiting for 0.5R. I'm just out. I'm out, guys. I can't hold that anymore. But we still have my payout account. So I took my money here. If it does keep going, guess what? We have a payout account right here. Let's hit this payout. So W, guys. W trade. W trade. All right, let's check out the payout account here. I do want to make sure we hit this payout number, but I think we're good. I think we'll be good. I'm scared this isn't going to be it. I'm about to do this thing again. I'm going to give it a little bit more, but I'm going to have my finger on the button to close it if it goes over. Why did I move it? I shouldn't have done that. All right, so we're in from 54.75. Oh, I remember why. Okay, so I calculated something wrong because I already had taken trades this morning in this account, so I didn't actually calculate how much I need on this one exactly. Okay, so I should actually do that. I don't know how to tell right now. Okay, so here's I think what I need to do. Oh, here we go. I think we're good. Dude, this might be payout number 2. Here we go. Yeah, we're about to pass it. I'm going to raise it up a tick. We were just tickled the payout goal. We tickled it. Come on now. 2 payouts in one day would be crazy. Double down. I just want to double down. I'm joking. Here we go. It was pretty close, guys. A point away or something. 45.50. Yeah, we were very close. All we need is one little push here, and then we are Gucci. One little push. One little push. I'm so tempted just to add and move my stop loss down because I don't think it's coming back up here. And if it does, I won't feel good about the trade. But I'm not going to do it. I'm going to just wait, let it play out, win or loss every time. Let my statistics work for me. Let my strategy work for me. Let it do all the heavy lifting. We do have previous day low down here protecting this position. Right now we tap previous day low perfectly. That was a really good TP right there. So if we can get a little bit below it though, that would be good for our payout, which we already did go below a little bit hour ago. So a few more points here and we'd be Gucci. I want to throw a mini on this thing and just take it. Alright, everyone's calling me. Very popular when I'm in a trade all of a sudden. I almost just might want to walk away, guys. Either it's going to hit or not. I'm tempted to scalp in and out one to try to reduce the amount I need, but that's the crazy talk, guys. That's the crazy tilt coming in. So everything else though looks fine. ES is holding below the EMAs. NQ is starting to accumulate below the 8 EMA, which I like that, and we're tested the 24. We're still above that previous day low on NQ, and of course on ES as well. It's right about where we're at. I might just have to walk away on this one. This would be locking in another payout here. Look how close that is. So ES just pushed back up into these EMAs. Let's see if we can get a clean rejection here. NQ also broke out of that AEMA that I was talking about, so not what I wanted to see. So it's kind of looking sketch here. I should just, now I'm watching all this order flow stuff. I just need to walk away, I guess. So yeah, this is where we need a video game. Just let this thing play out. I might have to walk away. It's crazy that was that close. Yeah, I didn't like that last video game I got. What's a funner video game, guys? Minecraft? Don't tell me now we're gonna balance up back up to these highs right where my stop is. All right, maybe I'll just start journaling. And he was cleaner than ES today. I can't believe what I'm saying. But I didn't actually really pay attention to NQ enough. After losing my trade this morning on NQ, I'm like, I'm never trading NQ again. Okay, I'm just gonna put, so my stop is supposed to be up here, but this is $1,500 if I want to actually like not change my risk, but I'm gonna put it above these highs here. So it's slightly over risked, but in between, because the stop loss is supposed to be above this wick right there. It's wild that that was so close to getting filled. Guys, I don't think I can watch this. I'm going to journal. Oh, we flipped these accounts just barely green. Oh, we're about to get stopped or something. It's moving. Okay, I got the 4. Jeez Louise. That was so close here, guys. That's crazy. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and try to get this journaled up while not looking at that trade. Okay, let me make sure I have... Yeah, I don't have all my accounts selected. So let's select my accounts. Boom. So I think we did flip the day green, which is crazy. Did we flip it green on the live account too? I think so. I'm $6 green on my live today. That's crazy. Well, guys, there's a chance. I could have TP'd, re-entered, TP'd, been done. Okay, so if I see that's above 6,000, I'm just going to drag that up. That's going to be my plan. So I don't get slipped on the market order. And Q has to give here. I might do the BRB strat. Walk away, come back, see what happened. ES is below the EMAs, while NQ's been holding the same EMAs on the 5-minute. So ES is looking more bearish again right now with the way that the last 5-minute candle closed. But NQ, it closed right above the 8 EMA, and it's still kind of holding the bullish trend, essentially. So NQ just needs to give up, though. Alright, maybe we need to change the music. Losing a little bit of volume. Okay, NQ staying strong. ES just chopping around. What up, Emmanuel? How's it going? Good morning. I think it might be BRB strat, guys. I don't think I can watch this. I mean, it's just sick that that didn't hit right there. Like, how is that even a thing? Guys, I'm gonna BRB strat. I can watch it on my phone. I guess I am. I don't know what else to do. You're long from the exact same entry. Oh, geez, Louise. So I already covered it in my other accounts. I covered the short, but on this account, I'm just going for the payout. And so I just was off by a point. I shouldn't even be drinking coffee still. Alright guys, I'm gonna go make some food. I'll be right back. So I'm gonna do a set it and forget it. So I'll leave the screen on and I'll just BRB. here we go. Here we go. I'm so hungry. I want to eat this so bad. Let's see if we hit it. I mean, everything looks good. NQ's still holding though, so if NQ could give a little bit. I'm so hungry, I'm gonna eat. All right, NQ. Give up. Give up. Oh, you tried. The sellers were there. I'm so hungry. So hungry, but I need to lock in this payout. Give up NQ. Yeah, NQ's pushing, ES is pulling. Exactly. It's like tug of war here. And NQ could just go down a little bit and help ES a little bit. And then go up for you. Right? Because you're in, are you in NQ or ES? Oh, you said you're in the same trade, so I figure you're in ES. NQ's pushing. Alright, am I gonna mute again? I want to just be ready to, if I need to close it or anything. Alright, so I am exactly 10 points. I'm going for 10 points here. Let's see, what is that on 26 watts? Oh, here we go. Here we go. There it is. We're going. Oh, that's it. Oh, come on now. That's it. So that should be more than enough. We're out. We hit it. Let's go. We hit it, guys. We're up by 86 bucks. Let's go. I just locked in a second payout today. 2 Tradeify payouts, 2,500 each. It's crazy that they're on different trades too. No, the Discord price is about to go up. Discord price is rising. I'm just kidding. Don't worry, Brick. You'll get a percent for all your call outs. Dude, I actually am jelly to not be able to be there with you guys. Nice. Well, I'm gonna lock it up here. I'm gonna mute my mic again in Discord, guys, because I'm on YouTube. But just wanted to tell y'all. All right, guys. I think that's gonna be it for me. So that's the second payout locked in here, right? Am I crazy? That's the second payout. So I'm gonna I want to take a good screenshot of this. Two payouts. Leader. Dude, that almost looks like the same trade as earlier. Really bleeding. Nice, guys. That's crazy. I'm so happy. And we turned it green on the day in my other account too, so it's going to turn into a killer day even though I started with an L. I think that's two payouts. So I'm going to go ahead and download my CSV for this account. It's account 589, and I'm going to go ahead and drop that in to Gainway Edge. There it is. I think we're up like 2K on the day now. I think I already did my other accounts, right? I did the live. I did the Lucid. I think that's it, y'all. Double break. Strikes again. Yes, that should be 5K in payouts today. Ooh. I'm so stoked. So stoked. All that hard work, guys. All that hard work paying off. So guys, I hope everyone is doing good. I might actually have some other trades today. I kind of want to take some time off the charts now that I locked in a couple of payouts. That sounds weird. Payouts. But I might be getting my short here. Or it's level 2. Actually, no, that's not a level 2 short. Oh, my bad. I forgot. I was thinking level 1. So yeah, I think that's it for me. But I do, the fact that we're breaking out of this consolidation, I'm okay with shorting this, actually, to be honest. But I guess I'm gonna lock it up here, or wait for that fib extension long. I think that's it, guys. 5 Jeezys, little 5 Jeezys. Yeah, it's crazy. That's 2 different days. I mean, 2 different trades, but the same day, after working on these accounts for so long. All right, I'm just getting some posting done. So if I hadn't taken that first loss, I would have had a really big winning day today. If I didn't take that first loss, trading NQ. All right, guys. Well, that's going to be it for me. I know I need to do some journaling and stuff still. So I guess I will try to do it right now. So we had, this is all the same trade here. This was the double break. We did TP was both point or scalp and traditional, and it did hit the full TP. VWAP we were I think we were below when we took it. I think we were below and flat. Or it was below and slightly up, below and up. Or the VWAP was above us. VWAP was above us and angled up. So I'm going to also just go ahead and journal it. So I'm journaling double time nowadays. VWAP was above us and up. And on that trade we did 2-1-7-1. Okay. On the last trade we did, see, I guess I need to eat before journaling like this. It makes me, I'm like a little anxious right now to even journal this. Like I'm ready to take a break. But okay, so here we go. This is great idea. This was also a double break, and we also did the same thing, scalp and a traditional, which in this case it was really 0.75R. But yeah. All right, so that one was 23.51. And in that trade, where were we? We were below VWAP and VWAP was flat. Alright, so VWAP was above us and flat. VWAP was above us and flat. Or the first trade was at, oh, hold on a second. Okay, that first one was at 427. Second one was at 1027. That's weird. Is that weird or what? They set up at the exact same time. Okay. And then the other trade was at 349. First trade was minus. In this case, it was the traditional, but whatever. 2525 minus 2525. Sweet, I'm all journaled. On that one, it was above and down. VWAP was above and down. Hit full TP. No. Second trade. VWAP was above and flat. Oh, there we go. Sweet, I'm all tagged. All right, guys, I think that's it. I tagged my trades. I did my journal, so at least I'm caught up for today. And I'm going to leave my charts on, but I'm probably just going to take a break because I feel like I earned it, quote unquote. But if I have a trade, I have a trade, so I want to keep trading. But I do have a meeting at 12, and so I need to get some rest before that and eat some food. So, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Code Luna to support the stream. And, of course, links in the description for the Discords and all that stuff. So I will be seeing you guys tomorrow bright and early for the prop for match stream. I'm going to keep cycling these accounts. I'm going to keep rolling with the payout accounts and using the same methods. And, yeah, I guess I'm going to take these payouts when I get off stream. I mean, not when I get off stream, when the market closes and it allows me to do it in Tradeify. And I mean, I guess maybe I should double check so I'm not too disappointed. What is this other account? The one that we just did, 589 and 425. 589 and 425. Let's see what our biggest days were on these. So 589. Guys, I've been trading this account since April, and I just got a payout on it. Oh my God, look guys, I was $5 away right there. I didn't even realize it. I was $5 away from a payout and I didn't know it on this account. I was $5 away. I didn't even know it. I was copy trading it on July 30th. I hear you perfect. Oh, wait, what? Oh, I need to hit save at the bottom. I forget. Oh, shoot. I'm just trying to edit this. I get the best screenshot. don't like this bar. Oh, here we go. Oh, guys, I gotta go. All right, guys, I gotta go. Thank you for watching, everyone. Much love. I'm happy today. It's a big day for me, hitting a couple payouts in a row, big goals, and some of my bigger payouts I've had. So big W's in the chat, everyone, for being along with the journey here. I know there's only a few of us here on the stream right now, but we're just doing the plan, following the plan, putting in the work, slow and steady. That's how we do it here. Code Luna, guys, at checkout for the best deal. Thanks for the support. Like and subscribe, all of that stuff. Thank you so much, guys. Peace out.